Here's a great axle I designed some time ago, and I noticed one weakness. These CV joint axles are quite weak if subjected to heavy loads, and this axle is specifically designed for off-road use, where axles are put under a lot of strain. I started thinking about how I could fit these larger planetary gears in place of the weaker ones, because these have thicker axles than the one I originally made. I realized there was a perfect opportunity to design a new part, so I opened Blender and started designing. I got the part done, and then the only thing left was figuring out where I could order these parts since I don't have a 3D printer. That's when JLC 3DP came into play. I ordered the parts from JLC 3DP and I couldn't be happier. Hold on a second. First, I'll quickly introduce the website I ordered from, and then I'll unbox what arrived in my mailbox. This video is made in collaboration with JLC 3DP. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. JLC 3DP is a versatile 3D printing service where you can order prints using different technologies like FDM, SLA, and SLS. They offer a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, and metals, as well as flexible and special materials. JLC 3DP also supports metal 3D printing, like stainless steel, making it ideal for creating durable and precise parts. In addition to 3D printing, they also offer a mechatronic service where you can order ready-made parts for your projects. They have a wide range of services to help you create functional mechanical and electronic components for your projects. You can upload your own 3D models, choose the material, and have the finished parts delivered directly to you. If you want to learn more, click the link in the description. Let's get to the unboxing. The 3D prints arrived very quickly and well packaged. These parts are top-notch, even though I was initially worried if they would be poorly made because of their thin surfaces. Alright, let's see what came in the package. I was really surprised when I saw these parts. Just look at how amazing they look. I highly recommend ordering from JLC 3DP, just like I did. Next, I'll be building the axle I introduced earlier so you can see where this part can be used. For example, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and do it now. And a like wouldn't hurt either. Remember to use the offer in the description. don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The offer link to the JLC 3DP website is in the description. Go ahead and place your order. And don't forget to join the channel as a member. See ya!